Hi, I'm Mark from LM Small Engine. Today working on a Remington self-propelled RM214 with a Briggs & Stratton 500 E series 140cc engine on it. As you can tell, it's like brand new. They brought in and pushed the primary button and it won't even do nothing, and I smelled the gas. It smells like diesel fuel or kerosene. I mean, it's not gas. So evidently they must have grabbed the wrong jug in the shed or the barn or something. So we're going to have to take the gas tank off, clean that out, clean the carburetor up. So hope you enjoy the video. Okay, we're going to take this top off so we can get the tank off. And then look like 5/16. Okay, there's two different sizes in there. There's a 5/16 and a 9/32. There's two 9/32 and two 5/16. Take this base plate off so we can get to the carburetor there. Now these two here are the 9/32. Okay, now we gotta lift up the tank out of them two slots. That's how we had to take the shroud off. These two little slots. That's for these here. I'll drain this in the bad gas barrel. Okay, now we're gonna slide this carburetor out. Take the governor rod off. And there's this O-ring and stuff. That likes popping loose. Make sure you put the O-ring in. And first, and make sure it clicks into place. Has a nice good seal. Let me spray this off here real quick before we tear it apart. Okay, these two screws on the bottom are 9/32. I'm going to pry this open. It's not even gas. It's brown. Whatever the heck it is. Cleaned that out really good. Now our main jet. Our main jet is right there. And spray a little bit of carburetor cleaner in there. And you should be able to see it in the venturi right there. Shoots a nice stream in there. Okay, now we can go ahead and put this back together. This little indentation right here, that goes over that. See how that indentation goes right over that. Line up the holes somewhat. Okay, it's ready to go back on the engine now. Okay, put the governor rod on. And it just slides in here and pops on there like that. I already drained the gas out of the tank and blew it out. Pop it back into place, and this vent tube goes in there, and that pops into place. Just like so. Now you put that top back on. Okay, now all I need to do is put a air filter in there and put some gas in. I'm gonna check the oil real quick. Like I said, it's probably been used once. And we'll get on the table and see if it don't start up. Okay, let's put some fresh premium gas in that thing and see what happens. Push the primer button. Just like new, you know, helps when you have gas in there, but like I said, it's either kerosene or diesel fuel. Like #1 diesel fuel or kerosene. That's what it smelled like. Anyways, one pull took right off again. So anyways, hope you liked the video. Appreciate you watching. If you like my videos, please press the like button and please subscribe. Anyways, you have a good afternoon. Bye.